Welcome to Learning with Jess. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy, sell, send, receive, and convert Bitcoin using Coinbase. Currently, I am on the coinbase.com/trade page. Here, you can see Bitcoin is number 1. Click the token. On this page, you will be able to see the current price of Bitcoin, the daily percentage change, the chart, which you can even select to see in a 1-week time period, 1 month, 1 year, or since the time of its genesis. Below you have the market statistics, like the market cap, volume in the last 24 hours, circulating supply, typical hold time for Coinbase users, trading activity, and popularity. Below, you have the performance of the asset and an overview that describes Bitcoin. You can even read the white paper and check out the official website. To purchase Bitcoin, on the right-hand side, where it says buy, enter the amount you would like to purchase. For example, £10 or whatever currency you are using. You can also click this icon to see how much BTC you would receive for that amount. By clicking on this drop-down menu, you can purchase it one time, daily, weekly, and so on. In my opinion, it's a good idea to dollar cost average when buying cryptocurrency instead of going all in. For this tutorial, I will keep it at a one-time purchase. Once you've entered the amount you want, click Preview Buy. This is the order preview that shows how you are paying, what token you are buying and its price, how much the purchase is worth, the Coinbase fee, and the total amount of the transaction. Click Buy Now. And now you should have BTC in your account. You can see it below here or in your wallet. Next to the Overview tab, click Wallet. And here you can see your BTC balance and how much it is worth in dollar value. If you want to send or receive Bitcoin using your wallet, on the right-hand side, you have the options of send and receive. On the send option, you will enter the amount you want to send. For example, $10. Paste in the recipient address, click continue. You will be shown a confirmation preview, verifying that you are sending Bitcoin to this address, an estimated time of when the payment will be received, and any fees the network may have. If everything looks good, click send now, and then the recipient will receive the funds. To receive Bitcoin, click where it says receive. This is your public QR code address, and this is your public address. By sharing one of these two, this is how you will be able to receive Bitcoin. To simply put it, this is your Bitcoin wallet address for Coinbase. Press this icon here to copy the address and share it with a person who's expected to send you funds. Back to overview. To sell Bitcoin, click where it says sell. Enter the amount you would like to sell, or click where it says sell all. You will be shown an order preview and where the funds will be added. Click sell now, and then you will be able to see your funds in your wallet or in the assets tab. If you already have funds on your account like USDC, by clicking convert, enter the amount of USDC you would like to convert to Bitcoin, and then click Preview Convert. You will be shown the order preview, which token you are converting, the exchange rate, and if there are any fees, and the total amount. Click Convert now, and then you will have Bitcoin in your account. Now you should know how to buy, send, receive, sell, and convert Bitcoin using Coinbase. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.